So students, now let's solve this our next worksheet. This worksheet also orally, no need to write. Now in this question, write the suitable pronouns for the underlined nouns. Now there are some nouns which have been underlined. Instead of those nouns, you have to write the correct pronoun. So let's start. Now Raman. Now Raman is a boy, right? So Raman is absent today. Raman is ill. Give this book to Raman. This book is Raman's. Now first we start. How we will write? Raman is absent today. Full stop. Then next is Raman is ill. Now instead of Raman, we know Raman is a boy, so we will write he. He is ill. Then give this book to Raman. So instead of Raman, we are writing him. This book is his. So again, instead of Raman's, we will write his. Whose book? His book. Yes, already we have learned about personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. So this worksheet we are going to solve orally. Next, call the girls here. The girls have played enough. I want to teach the girls now. Now call the girls now. There are many girls. We are talking about many girls. The girls. Now instead of the girls have played enough, we will write, instead of the girls, we will write they. They have played enough. I want to teach the girls now. So I will write, I want to teach them now. So here instead of girls, I will use them. Next, number 3. I have a fountain pen. Now pen is neither a boy nor a girl, right? It's a non-living thing. So always for animal, birds and non-living thing, we are using it. So I have a fountain pen. Father gave the fountain pen to me. The fountain pen cost Father 10 rupees. So how I will write? I have a fountain pen. Then next, Father gave the fountain. Instead of the fountain pen, we will write it. Father gave it to me. Then the fountain pen. Now instead of the fountain pen, we will write it cost Father 10 rupees. So instead of fountain pen, we have used the pronoun it. Number 4. The stories in this book are interesting. Sita likes the stories very much. Sita reads the stories daily. So stories, many stories, right? So we will say the stories in this book are interesting. Sita likes them. Now here instead of the stories, we are writing them very much. Sita reads the stories daily. So how will write? Sita reads them daily. Instead of the stories, we have used them as a pronoun. Next, number 5. I met an old man. The old man was very old and weak. The old man was hungry. So every time old man will not say, right? We know old man means we will use the pronoun he. So here I will write, I met an old man. Instead of old man, here we written, he was very old and weak. He was also hungry. Yes, I gave the old man food to eat. So here I gave him. I will write here, I gave him food to eat. Then the old man thanked me for the food. So instead of the old man, we will write, he thanked me for the food. Now number 6. The man saw the boys. The boys were playing. The boys did not see that the man was watching the boys. Yes, now here we have to use the pronoun boys and for man. So, the man saw the boys. Now, the boys were playing. So, instead of the boys, we will say they, because there are many boys. So, they were playing. Then we can see the boys did not see that the man was watching the boys. Now instead of the boys, we are writing they. They did not see that. Instead of the man, we will write he was watching them. So these are the pronouns for this example. Now number 7. The woman saw the girls. The girls were dancing. The girls did not see the woman. The woman went on watching the girls. Now there are many girls, so we have used the pronoun they. And for the woman, she is a single, so we have used the pronoun she. So the woman saw the girls. The girls were dancing. That means we'll say they were dancing. The girls did not see the woman, so we'll say they did not see her. Then the woman went on watching the girls. So we'll say she went on watching them. Yes. So you saw, students, instead of the girls we use they, and the old woman we use she and her. Then number 8. The teacher spoke to Ashok and Kanta. Now Ashok and Kanta, both 2 persons there. The teacher asked Ashok and Kanta to come and see the teacher. Now here we can say the teacher spoke to Ashok and Kanta. The teacher asked. So instead of teacher we write she asked them. Instead of Ashok and Kanta we are using the pronoun them to come and see the teacher. Instead of see the teacher we write see her. Yes, so these are the pronoun. Then number 9. We met Leela yesterday. Leela is a pretty girl. Leela is 12 years old. We like Leela. Now Leela is a girl. Yes, so we will write here we met Leela yesterday. Leela is a pretty girl. Instead of Leela we will write she is a pretty girl. Then we will say Leela is 12 years old. So we can say she is 12 years old. Then we can say we like Leela. So we will write we like her. Yes. Then students we go to number 10. Number 10. They are Ashok and Anita. Ashok and Anita are brothers and sisters. We know Ashok and Anita very well. Ashok and Anita lived with us last year. Now this is Ashok and Anita. We are talking about 2 persons. So we will say here they are Ashok and Anita. Now here Ashok and Anita brother and sister. Instead of Ashok and Anita we will say they are brother and sister. We know Ashok and Anita very well. So we will say we know them very well. Ashok and Anita lived with us last year. So we can say they lived with us last year. So students, these were the examples of some pronouns. So instead of noun we have to write the pronoun. This worksheet you are not going to write. This was just for your practice orally. Thank you.